The basics of the Google Sheet. Sequence 2, I want to show you in this video. The basics of the Google Sheet. If you want to open the Google Sheet, you need to complete the Google account first. Next, click on App button. And after, find the Google Sheet logo. So this is app of the Google Sheet. Click on Apps to open. And so this is the template of the Google Sheet. And you can choose any template to manage your work. And all here, this is file that I create every day. You can open on here or goes to Google Drive, because all file that you create keeping on the Google Drive. And after, click on blank spreadsheet to open the file Google Sheet. Okay, with the step 1 ready. Step 2, add file name. You need to know that how to add a file name in a Google Sheet. So this button, just click and add your name of the file that you want to save in the Google Drive. This box you can add your name that you want to set. I insert Google Drive of this file name. Okay, with the step 2 ready. Step 3, I want to show you how to know that the worksheet in Google Sheet. The button of the side, you will see that the plus button. If you click on this, it means that you want to create a new worksheet, but the same file. Okay, now I create a new worksheet and right click and click on rename. I manage two classes. In this worksheet, I add the name is MMR, and one more worksheet, I add CMR. So it means that two classes, but I divide two worksheets in one file. Step 4, you need to know that the rows and columns in Google Sheet. If you click on this, it means that we call column. Anyway, if I click on this, it means that we call rows. Can you guess here? After I select it, my question, how many rows do you see? Okay, if it's like this, we call 4 rows selected. And I do like this, it means that 3 columns. Arrow selection. Okay, with the step 4 finish. Step 5, you need to know that how to hide and hide menu bar in the Google Sheet. You will see that this button, if you click on this, it means that the menu bar will hide. And if you click again, it means that the menu bar show full width interface. Okay, the step 5 finished. Step 6, if I right click and delete this column. And then I want to back the action that I delete the column at the moment. How can I do? Okay, now you need to undo. Click on this button. The column that you delete is back. And one more is you click on to redo button. This means that you want to let you restore the chain of the way undone. Okay, you can test with the step 6. With this step, I finished. Step 7. If you want to zoom in Google Sheet, you can click on this button and choose the side you want to show. Normally that is show you 100%. One more way, you can choose the shortcut key. Control plus key minus is zoom out, and Control plus key plus to zoom in. Okay, with this, one step is finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.